Good morning, amigos. This is Monty Delivers on day 3 of June Jumpoff. Headed to my sort of usual camping spot in the Rice Village. It's about 10:20 in the morning. Wanted to get up a little bit earlier. I did get up pretty early actually, but I wanted to get out a little earlier, but it is what it is. I looked pretty slow before anyway, so hoping to catch some of this late breakfast, early lunch activities. Like I said, it's day 3 of June Jumpoff, trying to make at least $100 today. That's the goal. Other factors come into it, but it is what it is. Yesterday was okay. I hit half my goal, but that was mainly because, or a little bit more than half, I think. That was because we had some thunderstorms come through in the afternoon. So that kind of cut me out of the dinner rush. I do not play with lightning and thunder or heavy rain. So just stayed at the house, kind of chilled out. Edited some of the video for the first day of June Jumpoff, which should be up by the time this airs. So yeah, we headed over, when West University headed over to the Rice Village and see what we get. I got one order already. DoorDash offered me $8.25 for like 5 miles. It wasn't terrible, but it wasn't really, if it were later in the day I would go. I didn't really want to go to that spot just yet. I'll go that direction just yet. Kind of want to stay in this general area, see what we get. Alrighty, I'll see you in a bit. All right, it's been dead out here. I haven't gotten any orders. All right, squirrels. Man, squirrels are the worst when you're on a bike. They're always running out in front of you. Yeah, nothing so far. I was gonna head to another zone, and then where I was sitting, which was not red, turned red all of a sudden, as soon as I left. So I guess I'll stay in this area for a little bit longer, my usual camping spot. I'll see if I get anything. Adios. All right, finally got an order. Nothing was happening on DoorDash. Got a Grubhub order for about $10, a little over $10. Man, that was killing me, just sitting there. I sat so long prior, my bike turned off. So it has like auto turn off, I think at 15 minutes. So when I went to get on it, it was already off. I had to turn it back on. But finally got something. Yeah, I hate being idle, but also I don't want to just ride around on my bike burning battery. It's the same when I used to do DoorDash in a car. It's the same reason some people just ride around in their car. Like, yeah, you're just burning gas and eating into your profits. So, yeah, that's just, for me, that's the killer. I mean, part of the reason I'm out here is because I'm not a person that can just chill and relax at home. Hey, I got 2 months of quote unquote, or 3 months, quote unquote, summer vacation. And that's just, nah. Maybe a day or two I can chill, but I need to be moving. I need to be active. I need to be making money, because why not? So, on the way to, this is a Chipotle offer. It's going on the other side of 288. This is a freeway that kind of cuts through the city up past downtown. But it's, and some of the neighborhoods on that side of the freeway aren't that great. Better than they used to be. But not still, you have to be careful. But this is going to like one of the UT Health facilities, so it's probably a nurse or something like that, or office personnel ordering lunch. So I'm gonna go get this Chipotle and head over that way. Better than sitting around doing nothing. All right, picked up the Chipotle. I don't know what they got, like guacamole smeared on the side of the bag. Anyway, luckily it was ready. They had a bunch of stuff there too. All right, headed over to drop this off. Well, I sort of took a little wrong turn, but I'm seeing a new bike path that I hadn't seen before. It's pretty nice up in here. Ponds. All right, just dropped off the Chipotle order at the hospital here. I didn't record the drop off because it's a psychiatric hospital and I don't know what the rules are, plus, you know, just people's privacy. But I'm headed back on the other side of the medical center and see what we pick up. But that was a decent Grubhub order, $10 and some change for, I don't know, it's about 2 miles altogether. All right, see you when I get another offer. All right, headed back to the Texas Medical Center. You can see it over there. Largest medical center in the world. Top care. People from all over the world come here for different types of treatment, especially cancer treatment. MD Anderson is like the top one in the world. So yeah, there it is. We're headed back that way. Really just on the opposite side of it, back to the Rice Village, because Rice University is on the other side of the medical center. Here we go. Oh no, you're fine. I'm going right here.
$112 for Honda. Can we get it backwards? Oh, perfect. Is it just one hour? Yeah,
I'm sorry. One person making sure. Hey, DoorDash for Evangelia. Evangelia. Pineapple slush.
$113 for Aquila.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ah, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. I have a DoorDash for JEC. JEC. Where's the? This is 6600. Is there one at 6400 as well?
It would be the one across Best House.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir, you too.
Again, I did not film the drop off because it's a medical facility, like a lab, gynecological lab. So, you know, privacy and regulations did not do it. But we have one more. Then we have a UberEats delivery I picked up. So I'm gonna get over there. I think I can make it work. Doing the thing I said I'd never do, but I'm not stressing myself out. It'll get done. See you at the drop off. All right, well, I'm trapped for now. Rain started right at this drop off. Luckily I was already here when it started and I didn't get caught in it. But hopefully, the radar looks like there's a lot of storms. Oops. So I might have to get a little wet and book it before these really bad ones come. This here. All right, we'll see.